Love this color. So bomb. Glueless. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so we have 2 wig unboxings tonight, so let's jump right into them. All right, so let's first unbox this wig. This is so cute. All right y'all, so this is a wig clearly from Beautyforever, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so we got our Beautyforever little goodie bag. Some super cute, well, these nails are not really my type of nails, but I mean, they're still cute nails. I just really don't like that color. And of course, our melting band and wig cap. Oh, we also got some more goodies in here, y'all. They try to hide them at the bottom, try to surprise me. We got a scalp band to put under your lace to help it look like scalp. I love the Beautyforever melting band and a little extra wig cap to put under your lace. So smart. And here is the unit. This is a Jerry Curly 33B unit in 24 inches. I've been getting a lot of red wigs lately, and I'm not complaining. All right, y'all, so this is what the unit looks like. And I could just tell this is gonna be another fire red wig. And let's look at this, y'all, out the box. These wigs don't play, y'all. Like, seriously, out the box? Yeah. Like, be so for real. Bomb. The inside, it does come with an adjustable band that's not attached to the wig, but it is in the box. And look at this unit. Super full, super thick. The curls are so pretty. It's just giving fall, winter, holiday, Christmas. So it's giving everything. It's giving every season, if you ask me. So y'all stay tuned for the install. BRB. Okay, so this wig looks pretty good out the box, y'all. I love the way the edges look. All I did was comb them out just now, and they look super fluffy, and the length of them is actually perfect, and they look so good. So I'm gonna leave those how they are, and I am gonna cut off this extra lace here and put a little bit of makeup on this lace to help it blend with my skin. And really, y'all, that really wasn't even much to cut off. Like, you could have really left this and just put makeup on the lace to help it blend instead of cutting it off, because like the whole point of this wig is to be able to just wear and then go, so you didn't have to cut that off. But y'all know me, I don't like to have any extra lace, so I cut off all the lace on all my wigs. But again, like I said, it wasn't very thick, so you could have just left it and just put makeup on the lace. All right, so now that that's all cut off, and that looks so good, like bomb. Now I'm gonna get some foundation and put some makeup on my lace. I went in with some foundation with a shade that's darker than my usual foundation, for one, to match my forehead, which is darker than the rest of my face, and to like cancel out the whiteness of the lace. I really feel like we don't have to do too much with this install, y'all, because the edges are already done. Like, the top is really already like low-key flat, so all I'm gonna do is wet this hair and comb through it and detangle it really fast. And y'all see what I'm saying about the top of this wig? The top of it is already straight, which leads me to think that they already hot combed it for you. Like, they really made this like an easy wearing a wig. And I feel like lately with a lot of these wigs I've been getting, my thing is, if I'm modeling a wig, like, I'm modeling it for what it is. Like, you know, I'm not like lying or anything. Like, I'm taking it out the box and putting on the wig. But if y'all are not getting the same kind of wigs that I'm wearing, then definitely like continue to let me know so I can get on these hair companies, y'all. Because like, for one, that makes the company look bad. Like, y'all sent me this wig, but when people order the wig, they telling me they not get the same wig, and then 2, that makes me look bad because it makes me look dishonest. But it's like, you know, I just get the wig. I'm thinking y'all getting the same thing, but if y'all aren't and y'all are getting different wigs, then definitely continue to let me know, because I will definitely relay that back to these companies, and keep that in mind when I'm reviewing certain units. You know, I just might decide not to review a certain unit because of that, because that just isn't fair to y'all, you know, seriously. So yeah, y'all definitely let me know if they be like jipping y'all, because I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna just start sending them screenshots of what y'all be saying, and like ask them what's going on, and tell them like, you know, if you're not gonna send the same wigs you're sending me, then I'm not gonna review your wigs, because that looks bad on my behalf and that looks bad on their behalf as well. So, you know, yeah, y'all just let me know, because I'm gonna let them know. Okay, but let's get into these curls. Like, these curls giving what they need to give. Like, what? Oh, I love me some jerry curly hair, y'all. Y'all know this eats. And the top of it, like I said, already on flat. I didn't have to hot comb nothing. Like, come on now. These curls are so freaking pretty. Wear and go, no bleaching, no plucking required. The baby hairs, didn't have to cut them, they already came made. The part was already made. All I did was put makeup on the part, put makeup on the lace, and didn't have to glue nothing down in the process. And I'm ready to go about my day looking so good, and it only took me 10 minutes. Let's get into it. And all I did to get my curls like this was put water on the hair and detangle it. So I'm telling y'all, Y'all better get y'all a wear and go wig. Look how good this looks. And it not being glued down for me, like, you can't tell me this isn't my real hair. And personally, I did cut my lace because I cut it so that it kind of had a widow's peak. I cut it more than what I showed y'all in that first clip where I was cutting off the lace. I did go back and cut a little bit right here and then cut a little bit right here so that this part is coming forward and it looks more realistic. See what I did? Y'all see what I did? And I got the tutorial right here. So, and I think there's definitely dye in this hair, of course, because the color that it is, but I'm pretty sure this is dye on my shirt, because in the beginning, before I wet this hair, this shirt did not have all these stains on it, and now my shirt is very much stained. So do be careful with that. Don't put on this wig with no white or no khaki shirts, really not even any light colors, because I don't know how this is gonna wash out. And boom, this is the final look of the hair once it dried, y'all. Like, how bomb is this hair? Like, I just cannot get enough of Jerry Curly. And this is a 7x5, so I did a middle part, but you could do a deep side part with this wig. You could do a lot of styles with a 7x5. Like, that's plenty of lace to work with, y'all. And this is how it turned out. Glueless, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, all that jazz. Link to this wig is, of course, in my description box. It's from Beautyforever, 33B, 7x5, Jerry Curly unit. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. Love y'all so much. Bye. Love this color. So bomb. Glueless. Let's get into it.